All right, so anyway, we're going to go ahead and get our donut out of here. Notice I've got gloves on because wax is waxy, very waxy. Okay, so we're going to put it on like this, and then I'm just going to pull this off. Ugh, so gross. And I'm going to probably have to get some new gloves. All right, there we go. And then you can smush it in a little bit. Just like that. And now we're ready to go. We just got to put it on our thing. All right, here's the tip. Now these are all waxed up. So the way you do this, you go like this. Then you come under here like this. Pull it through. No wax on your fingers that way. Bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.